learning how to create a bookshelf. And this bookshelf is going to be empty, so we'll not be adding any books into it. So let's just get straight into it. Now before that, I'm going to tell you that you're going to get a surprise at the end of this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's just get straight into it. Now first, we need to go to the top left and name our project. And you can see I've already named it as bookshelf. Now what we need to do is add a basic shape called a cube. Now let's add some properties to the cube. So we need to add 30 over here. Let's write, it's just a random number I choose. And you can see when I render it, it comes like this. Now let's do, let's see, 50 answer. And that's why over here in the bottom right again, it comes like, oh good. Let's check it. Good. And then let's make the top height to, let's say 75. And check it out here. Over here. Render. Hooray! Now let's difference this out to create a kind of kind of thing. Now you can see it's looking like that. To fill this side out, we need to add some position. So you can see what I've done is I just need to add a translate and make sure this is 73, 48, 29. This is 3, 40 and this is 40. Then if you render it, it will come like this. Now let's create this kind of shelf kind of fitting things, like where the books sit, right? I want to create that part. So let me do that part. So let's add the basic shape of the sitting area, which is cube. And let's see over here. You can see over here. Now let me write the numbers. You can see just one is left, so I just need to copy this and put this over here and make the Z to 20. And then yeah, you can see it is coming over there. So that's the thing. So as we're done with this, now let's add some colors. So what are the colors? Let's go to the top left first, and there I'm going to add this color and put the color over here to this thing over here and make this let's say brown. Right click, collapse this, and then add another color for all of these. So what let's do, right, is just union these 4 things over, like these 3 things I've created, the setting areas, and let's add a color to them. And then if I render it this side, you can see it's brown. So now we are done with our whole layer. So now like our whole model. Now let's look at the bonus. So the bonus is, do you see these earrings I'm wearing over here? What do you think about it? Isn't it amazing? Yeah, it is amazing. I also like it. Let me tell you, it's not real. You don't believe me? Let me show you again. See just like this? Let me show you. It's my earring is coming. I'm shifting my ears, but the earrings are not coming with my ears, right? Like this, see? See, it's not coming, right? Now if I put my hand like this, if I just cover this some way, I'm not able to cover it in any way. Like if I cover my face, it's gone, right? Where is it? I don't find it, right? So that's the magic thing. It must be sounding like a magic trick to you, but it's not. And isn't that unbelievable? Interesting part is I made this myself. And if you are wondering how I made it, then like this video and let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also subscribe to my classes to learn more. So bye!